I can come back.
What? What are you doing? Don't spray me. It's just a grasshopper, dear. It's just a grasshopper.
You want your home to live?
It's just a grasshopper.
Do you want your
I want you to touch the grasshopper so I can put it. I'll throw it at you. I'll throw it at you. Just touch it.
No.
Just touch it.
No.
It's just a little bitty grasshopper,
No.
see?
I don't care how little bitty it is. I don't like them.
Come on, it's just a little bitty grasshopper.
No. Get it away. What?
Just touch it.
Oh, Bill.
Just touch it.
I'm going to put your sister on you.
Just touch it, see? Just touch it. Look,
I'm going to tell your sister on you. And
Just
she's gonna beat
touch
the
it.
shit out of you.
I'll put it on Moose's head and he won't jump like you do. Come on. Look, it's right on your hand. All I did was throw it on the ground.
It jumped on me.
I got another one right here for your shoulder. Moose, we ain't got it. No water now to worry about. Look, Moose, look. It's on my shoulder.